flying saucer.
Okay, this is my setup here. I have here my dual channel oscillator attached to the coil of with the two diodes, releasing the radiant energy, and it's connected to that bulb right there. But we're gonna test this coil right here for internal, right inside of the coil. We're gonna put this tool that I have created. It's got a rare earth magnet inside, and we're just gonna pulse that coil and go inside of it, and you'll see it rotating faster than a motor as I accelerate the pulses. The motor, little motor, so but it has the same setup. It's got the LED and the 120 turns of 33 gauge, very fine wire, and we're gonna go in, and the rotation also demonstrates that there is no collapsing field inside there. It's just an opposite magnetic field that comes up at the times that the pulsations, our pulsations, drop to zero. At zero time is when they come up. So here, now this is the pulsations. We're gonna have the lights on, and the same thing as the LED happens here. The motor will rotate faster as we approach the very center of the coil. We're going slow. We have a full time now. No time for the collapsing field to invert the fields like that. And now it allows us to go. You can see the LED. Actually, the LED is pulsating because there are points when it's up. Remember, when the south is up, that it's not going to lead up. But that's so no time that you see it lead almost full time. Now it let me go out. LED went off, but the motor action keeps going. Now I accelerate here, and what we have, a steady motor. Why? Because it's the predominating outside field, the one that we are oscillating, pulsating. This is the field. This is the field. Nothing happens here. Nothing happens. It's just a pulsating field. As we go in, and then we get the pulse again. We can go accelerate down at the center. We get LED light. As we go up, turn off this light. Okay, this is the same motor that we had on, but I had it locked in right now I open the fin. And what I'm gonna do here is go inside of the coil while it is pulsating, and since it's not rotating, it's gonna completely put out the fact that it's the rotating action of the coil what it's inducing the LED to light up. So that's not gonna be the case. Now here it's gonna lead up, but it's gonna show us exactly where the radiant field is. It's where as we get it out, it goes down, it fades out, and we go down, and we have to look at the coil. The coil, it's not all the way down, so we're gonna go all the way up to here, and we're gonna get light. Now as we go out of the coil range inside, it will lose electricity, light. Now let's start by turning on the pulsation. So right here we are in the center of the coil. If I accelerate the pulses, it's gonna go brighter, and then the range is increasing, but as I come up, it goes down. As I come up off the range of the coil, so it's up to here, right here in the starting point, and in the very center, that's where it really lights up. And then the field expands all the way to the top of the coil, and as I decrease it'll come down. The more I accelerate, but the plenty of light, where majority of light is right in the center of the field. Now when it turns, of course it lights up also, but it's due to this fact, not because of the motor action or the wire rotating and cutting the lines of the magnetic field negative. This is just induced by radiant energy. The way I have set up this coil is the same arrangement as this coil right here, and I have set up the winding sense direction the same as this coil. So the north is pointing up. If I put it down like this, it won't lit up at all. So it has to be in the same sense, and the diode, the LED, is set up not to be lit up, but with the radiant energy. So where the positive is supposed to go for normal electricity induction, I put the negative. The diode is I put the negative there, and the positive where the negative is. So it lights up completely. Now if we get it upside down, so here we go. I'm going to turn on the light, turn off the light, so we see there's no light on blue. We're going to have the light from the pulsating light. And we're going to go in, we're going to accelerate, no blue light. Over here, so we see there's no blue light. Gonna go higher, no blue light. Now if I go like this, we got blue light. Defining the radiant energy field. We go all the way down.